Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you logical operators in Python. In the last video, I have showed you how username and password matching works. So in this video, I'm going to talk about and, or, and not operators. So these operators are used to take decisions. So when you make decision inside your program, you use it. So and is used to join conditions. For example, if you want to add multiple conditions, we want to check multiple conditions at once, the and keyword is here. So I'm going to explain it with another example. Okay, I have two variables for val1 and val2. Over here I'm storing a different value like dog, and the next value is going to be cat. So I'm going to say if val1 is equal to dog, the val1, okay, this val1 is equal to dog, and val2 is equal to cat, then execute this block of code. Okay, I'm gonna say true. Otherwise, I want to say, so I'm just writing a simple program. In programming, if you come to the field of programming as a beginner, you may face many problems. Sometimes you don't understand why we are doing these kinds of things, but as long as the time goes, as long as you get enough experience, you can understand that. Okay, so I'm gonna say false here. So what we have done here, the val1, this val1 is equal to dog, and val2 is equal to cat, plain true, otherwise plain false. So basically this simple program, the and operator is used to join two conditions together. For example, if you don't use the and condition, you can check only one set of conditions. So if you want to check multiple conditions, you can use and. So if you want to check another condition, you can continue by putting and. So if I run this program, it is going to return true because this val1 and val2 values are dog. If you change anything over here, for example, I'm going to put inside of dog, I'm going to say something like gun. Okay, now if I run this program, it's going to say false because this condition is false. Val1 is not equal to gun, it's equal to dog. Okay, like val2, even val2 is equal to cat, it won't works. Okay, this is the basic idea of and. Basically, the and operator is used to join conditions together. For example, if you want to join another condition over here, and you need to put and val3, okay, val3, and say gun. Okay, you have to create another variable called val3 and put a variable like gun. So gun. Okay, if you run this program again, it's going to return true because this condition also true. If any of them falls inside this condition, this is a set of conditions. If any of the condition is false from this set of conditions, it is going to return false. It is going to run this block of code. Okay, it is a basic if-else conditions. So if things are right, it will run the codes inside this block. If not, it's going to run these things inside this code. The next things I'm going to teach you is or, the or keyword. The or is similar to and, but the thing is it is very different. For example, and I want to teach you like this. For example, if val1 equal to dog, okay, let's say val1 is equal to dog, I'm going to delete this, or if val2, okay, not if condition, 2 is equal to cat, okay, true, otherwise plain false. So here we use all condition. If any of the condition is true, in the last example we solved everything is true. For example, I'm gonna make it as false. It's not cat, it's gonna be gun or something like that. And you can see only the variable 1 is true. It is true, but it is not true. But if you run this program it will work. It returns true because the all condition is used to check if any of them true. It will return this block of code, otherwise it won't return the block of code. So basically the all condition is used to check if one of the condition is true. Okay, and the next things I want to teach you is not operator. The not operator is like that. If you study the Boolean gates, the gates Boolean, AND gate and OR gate, and you can easily understand the concept behind it. Okay, now I'm going to do only one thing. So I'm going to create a variable called a is equal to 5. Now I'm going to teach you not operator. So if not a is equal to 5, return this true. This is called not. Okay, otherwise return false. Okay, so if I execute this program, it is going to return false because we are saying if not a is equal to 5. So if not a is equal to 5, it returns true, but a is equal to 5. That's why it returns this block of code. So I'm going to change the value to something like this. If I execute this program, it is going to return true. So basically we have learned 3 operators, and, or, and not here. So this is the basic things of Boolean gates. So if you face any confusing things in this tutorial, go ahead and search and or not operators or Boolean gates. Go ahead and study about the Boolean gates, the basic Boolean gates on Google, and you can easily understand them. The AND is used to connect multiple conditions together, for example multiple conditions together, but OR is used to check if any of them true, the OR is going to run. So for example, if you create multiple conditions over here, if any of them true, it is going to work, but if all of them, if you use AND operator, if all of them true, it is going to work, otherwise it won't work. So not is against if like this. And thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I will see you in the next video.